A walk offers great opportunities to do math with children. Every morning, Dad and Emma walk to daycare. Dad takes advantage of this daily walk to play math games with Emma. Today, we play Seek and Find. First, we look for 5 people waiting for the bus. I found them! Dad and Emma count together to make sure the count is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! Now we are looking for 4 trees that have changed color. Look, there's one! Dad and Emma continue on their way. Dad, we can't count all the trees. You're right, that's way more than 4. What if we looked for 4 beautiful leaves instead? 1 leaf for my dad, for my friend Juliette, 1 for my friend Christopher, and 1 for my friend Ahmed. That's 4. Yes! How many buses will we see before we get there? I see 1 over there. Great! Come on, let's count all the buses we see on the way. Counting. This is a great opportunity to learn to associate an object being counted with a word from the numbers rhyme. By doing this, children develop their sequential counting skills. This morning, Emma is especially excited to go to daycare. It's her birthday and there will be cake. How old are you now, Emma? I can't tell you with my mittens. Fortunately, Dad has a solution. A nice pair of winter gloves. And now, can you tell me how old you are? I'm 4. Can you show your age with both hands? Great! My turn. Is that 4 years old too? Wow, Dad, my gloves are good for counting, aren't they? Can you show your age with other fingers? Different representations of number. Finding different ways to represent the same numbers will help children gain a better understanding of how numbers are formed. The ability to break down numbers will help them later with additions and subtractions. This morning, Dad has a new game for Emma. Let's try to find as many digits as possible on our way. Here is a 5. Do you recognize the other digit? 4. Great! 5 and 0. 3, 0. 9, 6, 7, 8. Digits. Digits are the symbols from 0 to 9 that are used to write numbers. Naming digits and recognizing them in different contexts will facilitate preschool learning. Calendars and clocks are great tools to learn digits. Today we are looking for things that look alike. Look, Daddy, a family of bikes. Great! Can you show me other families of objects? Emma points to the taxis lined up in the street. Good find! Do you think there's as many bicycles as yellow cars? No, there are more yellow cars. Oh, yes? How do you know? Because I can count them with my fingers. Dad has a new idea. Look, Emma! These buildings have lots of windows. Which one has the most? Emma quickly spots the building with the most windows. There are too many to count on my fingers. And what about your toes? Comparing collections. This game allowed Emma to become familiar with expressions used to compare collections such as more, less, and as much. Comparison is a reasoning process present in many mathematical activities. For instance, we can compare figures, measurements, quantities. This morning, Dad and Emma are taking the bus to daycare. It's a new route full of discoveries for Emma. Dad, Look at the fire truck up there. Would you say it's under the bridge or on the bridge? On the bridge. Are we the first? No, these people are in front of us. We are last in line. Look, Dad, we're not last anymore. Right. Are we behind the lady or in front of the lady? In front. Here, you can sit between the lady and the gentleman. We should thank the gentleman. Now I can sit beside you. Thank you. Spatial sense. A walk is a good opportunity to develop one aspect of spatial sense, the ability to find one's bearings and to locate an object in space. Spatial sense will facilitate learning, especially in geometry and measurement. Every walk with Dad is a new adventure. On foot or in the car, Dad always finds a game to introduce Emma to the joys of mathematics. Soon, Emma will take the school bus to go to kindergarten. She already has plenty of game ideas for the trip because, after all, math is everywhere.